Fine, Michigan. Hey guys, here's train 71 for this week.
Train what?
71.
Are you crazy?
Yeah, because the webcam train.
Oh man, I need a new power steering pump.
The webcam, I've seen many webcams, like Australia, Blair, Ohio, Roswell. So here's 71.
Roselle?
Roselle. I told Uncle John Roswell, Uncle John's like repeated, Roselle. Then I said, Weingart. Then Uncle John went, Weingart. You know?
Yeah.
Do I say them right, or sometimes?
Sometimes.
So Weingart is actually Weingart, and Roswell is actually Roselle?
Roselle.
Okay. How many hours is it to here to Chicago?
I don't know. 5?
Here's train 71 for this week, guys. Seeing eastbound.
It's gonna be a minute.
I mean, you think it's a CSX?
No.
You doubt it.
I don't know what it is.
It's coming at 10:23.
Yeah. It stinks in here.
Can you get the number when it comes?
Yeah.
Can I wave?
Yeah, you can wave, but don't hang out the window.
Okay.
I don't know how far down it was, but it shouldn't be that long, right?
Was he coming?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, the light was on.
Yeah, gate's going down. Comes. Oh, I was gonna roll my window down. I'll wave, but I mean, unbuckle. Is there a car behind us?
I don't know, there's a car coming, so.
Cop coming?
A car coming. I don't know if it's a cop or not. Here it comes.
Okay. Train 71. CN, I think.
Man, it's going slow.
Should I wave?
Not yet. He's gonna be a ways out, man.
CSX?
No, the lights aren't flashing.
It's a CN.
I think it's CN.
Huh?
I think it's CN.
Number?
8898 2462. That second one was blue CN.
Was it 8888?
8898.
Oh, what was your second one?
2662, I think.
Was it
And it was blue.
Well, I think it's called Blue Devil or something. If I saw someone.
Are you making that up?
No, because I saw someone on YouTube, they said it's a Blue Devil engine or something. I'm like, what the heck?
Look at this, is a mixed freight for sure. It's weird.
Yep. It smells awful in the truck for some reason.
Your feet. And fish.
Reminds me of Goofy.
It smells like fish in your feet.
Hey guys, here's a new car holder. Doesn't it look new? Don't you?
It's hard to tell at night.
Let's see if we find any cars that look clean or new.
I have a feeling we're gonna be here a while.
Let's hope he doesn't stop while we're train. Eastbound's never stop while we're bought though, right?
Sometimes.
Which track is he on?
I don't know.
We'll probably see it going to Canada. Right?
Maybe.
Guys, look at those new car haulers. Train 71 for which we're seeing eastbound. Earlier we went fishing and we caught some largemouth bass, so maybe next time I can videotape them and put them on our YouTube. What's up?
Nothing.
10?
Oh, it's not that long. The end's right up here.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, that's okay.
See the cars crossing?
Yeah. Was it long?
Not really, because it's going slow. Now let's go get some food, man. I'm hungry.
Yeah. Are we gonna go get Amtrak?
Yeah, after we get food.
Well, let's wonder what the signal is.
Well, we'll see after we get food.
Yep. They said the end's coming out. There's bot cars. Cool guys, so seeing 8,898, 88, 98, 88, 98. You're gonna see him 2,632, 2462, 2462. Cool. PortHuron Michigan. Up, here's the end. And it is a box.
TTX.
Huh?
TTX.
TTX box car. Nice. Pretty cool, isn't it? Right?
Yeah, first train of the night.
Alright, the signal.
I'm still seeing reds, man. There's a green up there. See it?
Yeah, it just turned green.
It's flashing green.
Huh?
It's flashing green.
Probably go out west. It'll probably move in a second here.
Maybe. If he turns his lights on, we'll hang out in the area, wait for him, and then go get food, I guess.
Okay.
We need to get some damn food. I am hungry.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just...
Well, we had to wait for it. It was coming.
Is it just green or blinking green?
What?
That's what I saw in Australia.
What?
One time it was yellow, blinking green.
Really?
Yeah. Remember when you saw red, bright? How did you feel when you said red, bright?
I was shocked.
Well, you know what that means?
No, I don't, but I know I need something from...
Was it red, green, or was it red, bright at the bottom?
Red, white.
Really?
Yeah. Something's wrong with this truck. The steering pump or something's going out.
Alright guys, maybe the westbound will be 72. I'm just recording for a minute here. Oh, on my earplugs. I mean... Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm in here, right here.
Oh. Did it start green when you saw it?
What?
Was it all red and it start blinking when you saw the signal?
Yeah, it was. There's one, it's hard to see it, but it's over there blinking green.
What?
I seen one blinking green.
Did it start doing that after you saw red, so?
I couldn't tell. I think it's farther down the line.
Oh.
Yeah, nothing's happening right now. Let's go get some food.
Alright, we're not gonna see it then?
It's not even got its lights on it, so it's gonna be a while.
Alright, bye, PortHuron Michigan.